Welcome back to another episode of SEA Slurp's Fresh Noodle Fridays. We are heading into the end of summer, which makes me really sad. I just feel like summer's just started, but I really wanted to celebrate with some end of season sea asparagus because today I'm going to be making a sea asparagus spaghetti with pesto. Now, if you've never tried sea asparagus, it's really crunchy, they're super briny, naturally salty, and they're so lovely. You can only find them in summer where I live in the Pacific Northwest. They're very briny. I love it. It's got a good crunch to it. If you haven't tried it, you should go ahead and give it a try. They are great raw, blanched, which we're doing today, even sauteed. I would love for you to try to find this at your local farmers market. They are almost gone, so get them before they are gone. So get them before you can't anymore, or you'll have to wait till next season. So enough of me talking, let's go ahead and get started. All right, we got our ingredients here. We got 1 pound of pasta, I got about a cup of pesto, and about ½ pound of sea asparagus. We're gonna start by rinsing off that sea asparagus in a colander and then gently starting to pick off these firm red parts. It's like a really hard to digest part of the sea asparagus, so just pick it off. We're gonna have these nice tender greens. We're gonna blanch it for 30 seconds in boiling water, not salted because they're already very salty. And we're gonna shock the sea asparagus in some ice water here. We're gonna keep that nice vibrant green going. We're gonna drain that. I'm gonna add in our pesto, and I'm just using some leftover pesto that I had, but you can use anything that you want here. I'm then gonna add and cook my pasta, again, using dried or fresh. And we're gonna add that right into our mixing bowl. See, I told you, super simple, right? And then just toss to coat. You can add a little bit of a starchy pasta water if you wanted. And there we have it. Super quick, super easy, and super tasty. Enjoy. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe in the link down below. And don't forget to hit the notification bell just at the top right-hand corner so you don't miss any new videos that are coming out. We'll see you next week. Bye!